Hi, so today I'll be talking about an app that I made on Observable that's supposed to help you get started with data exploration. So it's a interactive data story generator. And the point of this is, manually trying to explore data and deciding which visualization to use. Uh, it takes a while, but this is supposed to help. This app is supposed to help you get started with it really quickly. So how it works is you upload your data, whether it's CSV or JSON, whatever Observable takes. Um, you click a button to generate your insights, and then you select which insight you want to go deeper into. And then you click another button to suggest any visualization code that Gemini can think of. Um, and then also justifies all the choices it has made regarding what library you'd use, like uh, Vega Lite or D3 or Observable's own plot library. Um, and then you need to use, if on this public version, you have to fork this notebook to use it, and then add your own Gemini key. Um, it doesn't stay in the notebook. Like if you refresh it, it goes away, so you don't have to worry about that. Um, Also keep in mind rate limits and all of that and costs. So I have some example data here of like Nobel laureates from like the last 100 years or something. And then if you want to change the data set, you just edit this cell. And then here you want to paste your Gemini API key. I already have it in my clipboard. If you want to change the model, you can do it here. I'm using this one because like this is probably best for this use case, unless you have a lot of money and you can use the pro version. The free tier of the pro version only lets you use like 5 requests per minute. This goes up to 10, so it's just easier to test with. Then you want to just click generate insights, and then it should be loading. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, it's done. And then this is what it generated. So these are all the insights it's thinking of. So it thinks the distribution is interesting. It's at 4 out of 5 of them. It only chooses the top 5 insights. So it says there's a male bias in the data set, and it wants to use a pie chart to like go deeper into this and visualize it. So once if you don't select this, you can't click anything here. So if you select this, you can click. Then you click this, and then it should suggest code to actually visualize this. Oh, it's done. And yeah, it chose Vega Lite. I don't think you need. So there's a tendency to get the imports wrong, because in Observable you shouldn't actually need to directly import it. It should already be available. But yeah, it gives you a summary of what it's looking into. It justifies the choices it has made regarding the actual code, and you can actually see the code here. So I could try running this, but that would take a while. There might be bugs because it depends on you to make sure your data is the right name. It takes a slice of the top 5 of the head of the data. Try not to in the second call, API call. It doesn't take the whole thing. It just takes the first 5 results. Because otherwise it would just take way too long and cost a lot too if you have billing enabled. But I don't. So it uses, these are the actual functions. These functions were in like a private notebook, so that's why if I tried importing it the old way in this public notebook, it would kind of break. So that's why I just straight up copy pasted it here. But yeah, and then I used Gemini to help me parse all the JSON and all of the error handling, which was super helpful. So yeah, that's it. Hope you have fun with it. That's all.